Hi, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Today I'm going to make a real quick veggie casserole, and it is just so simple and, like I say, really quick. All you need is a dish to put it in. I happen to have one that is an 8 by 11 is all this one is. What you need is 2 cans of Veg-All original vegetables, a can of water chestnuts, a cup of mayonnaise, half of a onion chopped up, half a stick of butter, some cheese, and some Ritz Crackers. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get the onion chopped up right quick. I shouldn't have said this is going to be the first thing I do. First thing you got to do is you need to turn your oven on to 350 and preheat it. And then we're going to chop up the onion. I already had a half onion cut up where I had used the other half, so we're going to just go ahead and use this half and be done with it. Because I sure don't want to waste anything if I can help it. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I hope you will. Offer me your comments. I know someone keeps asking me about when am I going to make some homemade pickle. And I went looking the other day for the spice that I need to have, and I cannot find it. So just as soon as I find some spice like I need to have, I will be going to the farmer's market and we will be making some homemade pickle. And there is so much of a difference in what they taste like and what you buy out of the store. Okay, I do need a half a cup of onions chopped up. While I'm getting this done, half a stick of butter, you need that to be melted. So let's just put it on the stove so it can melt right quick. And that way when I need it, it will be melted. Around the House with Kay and Tom. I hope y'all having a real good day. It's supposed to have been raining here ever since noon. Well, it hasn't rained a drop, so we shall see if we get some in just a little bit. Okay, I've got this onion Got a half of onion, and I just used a medium-sized onion. There we go. I have a container here ready for it. So we'll just put our onions in there. 2 cans of Veg-All. And I did drain this. Okay, and we need a can of water chestnuts. Now these are sliced, which happens to be the only thing they had. So let me see how big these are sliced. Sometimes they slice them bigger than what I think we should use, but let's just see right quick. Oops. Did you see me do that? Let's see if I can. These are sliced up pretty good, so we'll just pour them in there, and we'll mix those together. Let's get everything mixed up a little bit. I hear my stove has now told me that it's at the right temperature. And we need a cup of shredded cheese, if not more, it said. I happen to just have Mexican blend shredded cheese. And I need a cup of shredded cheese. I think the cheese is what makes it. And it does say you can use more. I might have just a smidgen of a little bit more cheese. So we're going to mix all of this together. And we need a cup of mayonnaise. My butter just melted, so I took that off of the eye. And we're going to use a cup of mayonnaise. I know somebody was saying, boy, that sure is a lot of mayonnaise, but you know mayonnaise is nothing real hardly but milk and eggs, so And I'm just using real mayonnaise. A cup of mayonnaise. And just mix all of this together. It starts with out where you think it's going to really be so dry. Then once you put that mayonnaise in there, it's not dry anymore. So we're going to put it in our casserole dish. Just make sure that you've got it mixed well. And you need 1 sleeve of crushed Ritz Crackers. And my niece from Texas came one time and we was cooking, and she was telling me the best way to do your crushed Ritz Cracker is put them in a Ziploc bag. Of course, I probably could have used a smaller bag, but that's okay. And take your rolling pin, right here, and just roll them out, and it will crush them right up in a heartbeat. A little bit, make sure I got everything. Now, was that not easy to crush up those Ritz Crackers? And then all you have to do is you just sprinkle it over the top. I know some people say, well, you shouldn't touch any of your food with your hands, but as many times as I wash my hands when I am cooking, I am not worried about the stuff, and I always spray down my counter with Lysol when I get through. It doesn't matter what I cook. So let's just make sure I got that. Get it all covered. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take this half a stick of butter that I melted, and you're just going to sort of sprinkle it over the top. Try to just divvy it out the best you can. Now, not all of it's going to be under the butter, but there's enough butter here. And with the mayonnaise and all. And then the next thing we have to do is put it in the oven. Put put it in the oven and bake it for 20 to 30 minutes and just check on it. So let's just see what we'll have we'll check on it in 20 minutes. That is really a quick casserole that if you have company coming and you weren't expecting them, it's just a quick, easy one to fix. And again, all you need is your half of an onion chopped up, 2 cans of your Veg-All, a cup of mayonnaise, a can of water chestnuts. I lost my can. Water chestnuts. I had a hard time finding them in the grocery store. I finally had to get somebody that worked there, showed me where they were at. And so I finally got the chestnuts. And you need a cup of your shredded cheese and a sleeve of your Ritz Crackers with a half a stick of butter. So and cook it for 20 to 30 minutes, and I've got it set for 20 minutes. Again, Around the House with Kay and Tom. Come back and see me. Don't go anywhere because I'm going to show you what it looks like in 20 minutes. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Okay, I'll see you again in a few minutes.